Hey gorgeous, so you probably clicked on this because you like light makeup, you like natural looking makeup, and you're probably going on holiday and it's gonna be too hot, so you don't want to be wasting a lot of time putting on makeup, or just the idea of having heavy makeup on a very hot day is annoying to you like it is to me. This is the video for you because I may have the right products that you need. First step, you have to make sure that your skin is well hydrated and well moisturized. I showed you here my entire skincare routine. I start with the ginseng water, and then I go into my moisturizer, I believe my eye cream, and then my sunscreen. Make sure that you always have a sunscreen. Then next up, now you're starting the makeup, make sure that you've got a gripping and long wearing primer. My favorite is this one. I have another one, but this one is the perfect one for this look. And then I come to my eyebrows. I always use the gummy works because I feel like I keep them down for a long time. I don't really have a lot of eyebrows, so you use what works for you. So this is where it starts to get interesting. So you use just a little bit, like the littlest drops of a skin tint. This is the NYX skin tint. I predominantly like this one as the first base because it is slightly more pigmented than most of the skin tints that I have, and it covers my little dark spots really well. I use my fingers to blend this one. My fingers are warm, so it's going to really blend it very well into the skin and not let it sit on top, but I use my fingers. And then I follow up with this Kylie Cosmetics skin tint. It is a few shades lighter, if not just like a shade lighter. I use a beauty blender to blend this because a beauty blender will not just make the product sit on top, it will blend it into my skin. As you can see, it literally looks like I've not put anything. The blush is the main party here because it adds color to the skin. It gives you that rosy, flushed, holiday look, like I'm in the sun, I am happy, I'm smiling, my face has got color. Those vibes. I like to put it on my eyelids, on my cheeks, and on my nose. The same placement that I would do if I was doing full glam. I follow up with this Tarte one because it has got a bit of a glow to it, and I want to look glowy when I'm on holiday, so this is the perfect blush for that. And then I set it with my powder. This powder is just about a shade or two lighter for my skin tone, so it's perfect for that. And then I follow up with my natural skin tone one and just set all over my face because you also don't want the product to be moving throughout the day. I get my bronzer and I put it across my nose and under my lip. This is to just bring more features of my face out without making it, or without using a lot of product. I don't do this part often, but I added this highlighter. It is like a cream highlighter, and it's just going to add that little glow to make me look like I'm glowing from within, which is what I want on holiday. Then I set the blush. To be honest, I don't use a lot. I literally just tap the brush once in there and just set it. Next up, the lips are another part that will just set this up and make you look even nicer. So I use the Fenty Beauty Traced Out. It is my favorite. I blot it out first and then add a little bit on top just so that there is a bit of definition. I put the brown eyeliner. That was my eyebrow eyeliner, but like I put it in my eye because I don't want a dark eyeliner that would be too harsh. And obviously the Fenty Gloss Bomb is the right gloss bomb for me. Like I love this product so much. When I forgot to mention, setting is really important. So the L'Oreal Infallible Spray is the best because it lasts all day, and especially with very little product like this, there is little to no transfer. But this is what I do, and it takes 0 minutes, and before I know it, I'm out the door and I'm feeling good the whole day. And actually I forget I even have makeup on my face because it is light, it is breathable, and on top of all, it is not making me feel sticky and all over the place. So anyway, thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe so that we have more days like this.